up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Alright guys, I am feeling a little under the weather today, so hopefully I can plow through this video and get some content out there for you guys. But in today's video, I have for you my August Diva bag by Sonya. It's so funny that this one came when it did because I was just getting ready to email Sonya and tell her, hey, if you're waiting for me to make a choice on any of these bags, just pick for me. I don't care. I'm always happy with what you send. Please don't wait for me to make a choice on anything. Just go ahead and send me the bag. But it turned out she was running late for a different reason. I will get to that in the next part of the video. So without further ado, let's see what I got for the month of August. Okay guys, so woo! Here's my bag. Woo! It's kind of bulky this time, right? So I did peek in here and I saw the note that Sonya left for me, and it said, so sorry for the delay. I had to replace a few broken neon pigments. I included an extra full-size product for the delay. Again, my apologies. Well, Sonya, that was awful sweet of you, but you didn't have to do that. I love your bag. As long as I get it, I'm good. Unlike another box that I'll talk about in another video, we're not going to do that now. This is about Diva bag by Sonya. And for those of you who are not familiar with the Diva bag by Sonya, this one is $12 a month, and Sonya packs a really big punch for $12 a month. So if you don't have this bag, please consider getting it. I will have a link in the description box below. She always puts awesome things in these bags, and it's things that you don't see in all of the other beauty subscription boxes out there. Okay, let's dig in. So when I open this up, I have a selfie kit. Ooh, how cute is that bag, huh? I think that is adorable. So let's go ahead and pop it open, and inside are all the lovely products for this month. So it's got her little website. I'm sorry guys, you can tell I'm not feeling good. It's sonyasdivabag.com, so I will have a link in the description box below for that one. And this kind of gives away what's going on in the bag, and I kind of don't want to know everything, although this thing looks really interesting. What are you supposed to do? Oh, it helps with your eyeshadow looks. Well, maybe I'll use this in my next makeup challenge. But the first thing on top here are some super cute fake eyelashes. Look at those, guys. Those are super cute, but I really never wear fake eyelashes, like ever. I don't know. I might give them a try. I might not. I really like the color, and I like how full and crazy they are, so we'll have to see. And then I also have this. Awesome, right? Let's see, guys. Oh, I think this is an eyeliner. So here's what it looks like inside the little packaging, and I'm going to pop it open for you guys, but I'm pretty sure it's an eyeliner. Oh my goodness, I can't get it out of here. I was going to say I'm going to pass it off to somebody else, but not if I can't even get it out of the package. Ooh, oh, look at that glittery box inside. Ooh, that's exciting, right? Okay, this is definitely packaged really super well. Here's what it looks like, and yep, it's an eyeliner, guys. So I am most likely not going to keep this because I don't do well with this kind of eyeliner. I prefer the crayon type, so I'll probably put that in a future giveaway. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, baby! Wowzers! Look at that! Now that is bright. Oh my gosh. Okay, this kind of came at a better time because I am in a part of a collab where we're doing a color series, and we have to do one color on our face every single week. We've already done purple, we've done green, and this week is blue. That there is some blue. Wow. Okay, guys, let's. Ooh, dare I open this? Yipers. I hope I don't make a mess. Ooh, baby. Oh, wow. I don't even think I can tilt it for you guys to see it. I'm not going to try that because let's just face it, I'll probably make a mess. But here's this. I don't know. I can zoom in on this, and I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger in this. Oh, my goodness. Wowzers, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's go. Whoa, baby! That there's blue. Wowzers! Okay, that is fun. That is really fun. Okay, so we're going to have to see if I use this for my blue challenge. You guys will find out for those of you who watch that video later this week. Okay, so there's this thingamabobber in here, and I'm glad that they have a picture of it because I wasn't sure what it was. Use it to make perfect cut, crease, or simply apply eyeshadow with ease. Okay, so this is going to help me with my eyeshadow looks. Lord knows I need help. I don't know if I'll use this or not, but I definitely will give it a try. Wish I knew where my scissors were. Ooh, I just ripped it off. Okay. Okay, so here we go. It's a little tool that will help with my eye looks. Awesome, right? Let me zoom in on it, guys. I'm kind of like holding it all over the place and you guys aren't really getting the look of it, but that's what it looks like. And you know, I'll definitely play around with it, and who knows, you guys may see it in a future video. So another thing that she does that I absolutely love is she always includes some really fun candy. This month are these Mambo things. I love these things. They're so good. But every time she puts candy in these things, whatever candy she puts in there, I crave it. After I eat the couple that she put in, I want to go buy a whole bag. So I'll probably have to do that with these ones. And then of course, I got this super cute selfie kit bag. That is adorable. And then I have the full-size product she included was a Pure Elise Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. How exciting is that, guys? That is really awesome because I kid you not, I've been seeing this all over the place and I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to buy it kind of thing. So it's like Sonya just reads my mind. I swear she does. It is so funny how she always sends the perfect things for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. Here's what it looks like on the inside, guys. This is awesome. A full size, this is awesome. Okay, I can sort of smell it, but it's got a seal on it, so I'm not going to open it up. Wow, that was a very exciting bag. I can't believe she sent the blue. She sent the full-size product that I was looking for. I mean, hello, she is amazing. Guys, again, this one is $12 a month. I will have a link in the description box below. I don't get anything if you decide to get the bag. I just like to promote the businesses that I love very much. And Sonya is a small business, and why don't you guys help her out? Try out her bag. It's $12 a month. You can cancel at any time, okay? All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! But in today's video, I have my August. Couldn't remember. And that really sucks because I got all that out, and I'm not feeling good. I didn't want to do it again, but we got to do it again. Awesome. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, kill this fly so that I can finish the intro. What the heck? Oh, that thing is going to bother me. Okay, guys. So, woo! Here's my bag. I always feel like you can see my address. Like I should take my address off first maybe or something. I don't know. Let's just try it again.